This is your 1-minute guide to what we're going to be covering in the atmosphere unit. So atmosphere is all about the gases that are in the air. What happens when we breathe, why we breathe, what are the different gases there, how we can use air pressure to fill up the air in your tyres, or if that's failing then you can use one of these to fill up the air in your tyres. Why is it that different light bulbs have got different types of gases in them? Why is it, what is the gas that's in fizzy drinks? How does a thermometer work? Why have we got to keep gases in big metal cylinders like this here, or even bigger ones if you're going to put it in a camping stove? And why do you need a carbon monoxide detector in your home? And what gases are used in aerosols? And lastly, what gases are involved in the process of burning? Okay, so that's what we've got lined up over the next few weeks. Hopefully some of it you will be able to do in school, but others you're going to find out an awful lot about it just with your Chromebooks.